Welcome to a complete training on CyberPanel. I'm Solomon and I'm your instructor for this course. Who is this course for? Who can take this course? Well, if you're curious to learn CyberPanel, then this course is for you. If you also want to host multiple websites on one server, this video is for you. If you also want to host multiple users or multiple clients and resell web hosting, then this video is for you. CyberPanel is a web hosting control panel that is free for anyone to use. You can install it on your VPS, upload your website, and have a website online without paying a dime. Okay, the only cost to you would be your virtual private server or your VPS. Before we get started, it's important you see the things, or I'll take you through the things we'll be covering in this entire training. So this is the course outline for our CyberPanel training. We're first of all going to look at the introduction to CyberPanel and demo. I'll log into my dashboard or to CyberPanel as an admin and demo the things you need to know about CyberPanel. From there, we're going to install or we're going to buy a VPS. I'll show you how to buy virtual private server and host your project. After that, we'll be securing our server. Before you do anything on your server, a brand new server, it's important to protect it first. So we'll be doing that. After that, we're also going to look at how to install CyberPanel on your server. From there, we'll be connecting CyberPanel to Cloudflare, and Cloudflare is going to serve as a wire or a cable connecting our domain name and our CyberPanel. Okay, from there we'll set up what we call reverse DNS, and this will enable us add host name to our CyberPanel. Now your CyberPanel is going to come, after installing it, it's going to come with an IP address. It's not good to log into your CyberPanel or work with your panel with an IP. That's why we're going to set up host name. Next, we'll be enabling SSL or HTTPS connection on our panel. From there, we'll also be looking at advanced security and how to set up CyberPanel well. From there, we'll also be looking at how to host your first website on CyberPanel, and I'll be demonstrating that with two websites. One will be a PHP script website and the other one will be a WordPress site. From there, I will show you how to upgrade or update CyberPanel itself, because CyberPanel release major upgrades and sometimes you have to upgrade it. Not sometimes, you have to upgrade it. So I'll show you how to run the upgrade script. From there, I'll show you how to host multiple websites or users on your CyberPanel. I'll continue adding videos or topics to this list, and I'll leave this link in the description for you to check the course outline for yourself. My next video will show you a complete demo of CyberPanel, so remember to check that video out.